This graph isn't showing up the greatest on this video, but we will do our best to understand what's going on. And just look at your graph to make sure the things I'm saying to you are making sense. So first of all, f of 4 just basically says if x is 4, so that's here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. If f of 4 right here, what's the y value? So it looks like 1, 2, 3. So the answer to that one would just be 3. Okay? And then this is saying for what values of x does the function actually equal 3? So now we go up to 1, 2, 3, which is right here, right? And we see right there, and right there, we have different values. I'm sorry, x values where y is equaling 3. 3 of them actually. So if you look very carefully on yours, you'll see -5, 1, and 4. Those are the 3 values where y is equal to 3. Okay, then where is the function actually less than 0? The actual function is the y value. So when you look at this, basically right here, all the way to here, every spot on the function there, we have a y value less than 0. Obviously not on the x-axis there. So what you got to understand is, okay, so what does that mean? It's not just 2 spots, it's an interval. So that would be from -4 as an x value all the way to 0, not including those 2 points, okay? Now on the flip side, where is the function greater than or equal to 0? Well, now we can highlight that here in green. That means all of this and all of this forever that way. So basically what's going on there? Well, that means that, this is the interval notation now, from -6, because that's the x value right here and it is greater than 0 here, all the way up to -4, including -4 because it says or equal to 0 here, all right? And then the other interval would be 0 included right here, and then to infinity, because everything to the right of 0 will have a y value greater than 0. Okay, what is the domain? So basically we want to go from -6 all the way to infinity, because you start with an x value here and you'll have an ordered pair at every other x value along the way. And then the range, the lowest that this graph gets is -3. And then that's way down here, and then it keeps going up here, but it's gonna keep going up forever that way. So that would be to infinity there. All right, x and y intercepts, those are the x values. You know, x values when y is 0. So if we see that on here, here's an x-intercept, here's an x-intercept. Always want to get in the habit of writing those as ordered pairs. Okay, so this answer means something totally different than it did up in part C here. I just realized I got more than one part C's. Holy cow, I'm really sorry about that. That's okay. Life goes on. And 0, 0 is the other one right there. Now what is the y-intercept? We know that we already found the x-intercept of 0, 0. Must be a y-intercept as well. Is f of -5 positive or negative? Well, that's -1, -2, -3, -4. That's like right here. So that means it's on the function right there. Well, -5, it's definitely going to have to be what? Well, it's going to have to be positive there. So we know that it's a positive value. Okay? Just looking at the y value there for when x is -5. Then how many times does the line y equal 3? We've already kind of talked about that on a different problem, but there's the line y equals 3. So it's going to cost 3 times.